Hey, how's it going? I'm going to be making Chef John's Italian meatballs. I have all the supplies here. Took me a while to set up all the cameras. Hopefully everything will look good and I won't have wasted my time. So the first thing I need to do is weigh out the meat. I have pork and beef, and I'm gonna calculate how much I need. This is stupid. I need to do this, so I'm not gonna talk to the camera, and maybe I'll do a voiceover. I don't know what I'll do. This is 1 pound of beef. Two pounds. Of pork. Put a little bit more beef than pork, so it's going to be about 7 pounds total. So if I have 7 pounds total, I have to raise all the amount of the ingredients. Here. So I'm going to go get a pen. I made this recipe a million times, but not this much. So 3.5. About 1.2 cups of breadcrumbs. 1.5 cups of milk. 3 onions. 6 eggs. 6 tablespoons of parm. 3/4 parsley. 10 cloves of garlic, 6 salt, 3 pepper, 3 Italian, and that should be good. Parsley. 3 teaspoons of ground pepper. It's going to take a while to do. Well, I'm going to mix this all up and I'll come back when it's mixed up. Alright, I'm back. The meatball mix has been in the fridge for an hour, and now I'm gonna make the meatballs. It's a bit cold in here. Soundtrack by Ass Stuck. Misery Index. Hopefully there will be no copyright issues with Ass Suck. definitely going to be more than 2 trays, I'm sure. Alright, this is pretty boring, so I'm going to stop, and when I'm done, I'll come back. Alright, I'm back. A little no less. Meatballs are done. Formed. So I'm going to put them in the oven now for 425 for about 20 minutes. And I'll come back when they're done. All right. Be back in 20 minutes. Alright, the meatballs are done. I take them out. Might broil them. Broiling them on the top. 4 minutes each. I'll be back in a few minutes to do these. All right. 4 more minutes for the other one. You can come out. Just doing it here if you're filming. You could have somebody use later, or 1 or 2 or whatever.
I'll be back in a bit.
You gotta cool down. Gonna give it 1 more minute. What I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare them to be frozen. As soon as they cool off. That's good. And that's a wrap. We'll see you later. I'm going to freeze them, but I'm not going to show you what they look like frozen. So, see you later.